Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be a Myntra haul. Myntra has a huge sale going on right now and a lot of these products are on discount. I have some summer recommendations since it's getting really hot, and I have some tunics and even some beauty products that I've picked up in the last Myntra sale. I've already tried them out. I've already been testing them out, so I thought I'll give you guys like a quick recommendations list. If you're watching my videos for the first time, do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any such videos. And now let's begin. This is the first one that I wanted to show you guys, a very cute floral printed tunic. I thought this was very pretty. It is sort of Indian, but also something that can be worn casually. So it has a very nice detailing on the hands, like the overall look and the finishing is really good. So the fabric is also soft, and yeah, these are the hands. Look at this detailing. Basic collar. The entire thing has like a floral print, and even here it has like a little detailing. This is not cotton, but it's again like light fabric for that effortless look. This is really nice. This one is also a tunic, and I really like this one. So the first one that I showed you guys is like very affordable. I think it's below 500, especially during sale. So this one's a little pricey, but I thought it was totally worth it. This is from a brand called Curvy Clan. So I've been eyeing a couple of tunics from this brand, but anyway, I thought they were a little expensive. I think this was around 1600 or 1800. I'm not able to recollect the price. I'll put it here. It's a satiny kind of fabric, and it's like a tunic or a dress. You can wear it as a dress also, or you can wear it as a tunic over leggings or some sort of trousers. And it has like button detailing, so you can remove the buttons, and you can even wear it like a shrug, wear it as a jacket. So it's a very beautiful shiny satin fabric. So if you're heading out for like a dinner or something in the day also, it will look nice. It has a really cute detailing here. It has really cute sleeves also. So I think I wore this already a couple of times for dinner and something like that. I actually ordered a very nice dress for my anniversary, and it did not turn up. So, and that day I was not feeling well also, so we did not dress up, do anything big. It was not a party, so I just wore this for like dinner. So yeah, it's a very cute one. This one I got a little before, but yeah, it's still on sale. And also this is another Curvy brand which I tried recently. It's from Curvy Street. So this is a long party dress. It has sequin on the top like this. The entire body part is sequin. It has sequin in silver and pink color, grey color. So it is a mix of things, and this whole thing is net. The fabric is net, and it has a stretchable lining inside, which is like this. It has the stretchable lining inside. A very cute dress, but also like very basic, very simple to style. You can just throw this on and some earrings and you're good to go. Like pair them up with like nice shoes, because the only top part has the sequin and the rest of it is plain. So I think I might restyle this, repurpose this in some other way. I might make a jacket for this. The back is like this. So it has a little bit of net transparent part on the top, but it's a high neck. So again, it is something very modest. I really like the fit and everything, how it looks on me. I wore this for a New Year dinner that we had at home. So I thought it was simple yet kind of pretty and elegant. Then I got one set. So this is like a cord set. It's in the same color. It's from True Browns. True Browns has really good quality thing. So I have one of their raw silk kind of looking kurta. I showed it in my previous Myntra haul. I picked that up also during sale. During sale you get really good prices on True Browns, otherwise I feel like they're a little expensive. So this is I'm not sure what fabric this is. It is a cotton and some sort of a mix, but very breathable, really good fabric. The quality is also good, and it looks really nice. So it has a little bit of self detailing on this, and it has a v-neck, and the structure is kind of like a little flared, and the hands are also really different. So these are like those bell sleeves, and the hands are very different. I already wore this recently. It was Yash's birthday, so that day I wore it. it's simple. You can accessorize and kind of make it look a little more polished and very put together. But somewhere I did not like the fit on me. Here they have pockets, so just near the waist, and the length also should have been a little longer. I thought it will look longer seeing the pictures on the website, but on me it's a little more cropped. And because the waist part is a little more extended, like the flare, and also has pockets exactly at that place, so kind of makes my waist look wider. I don't like that part, but I really like the fabric, color, everything, and I thought it looked really nice. And it's a very, very summery fit because because of the color and even the fabric. It doesn't have lining, but it's not transparent, so perfect for summer. Very light, breathable, and also something that you can wear for a lunch or even when you're traveling somewhere. It looks great in the pictures. This color is very nice, and I've been eyeing it for a while, but just waiting for sale. The bottoms are also of the same fabric, so it does get crushed a little bit if you sit for a long time. Like I drove that whole day and I could see all those wrinkles on it. That part I did not like, but overall really nice outfit. I wish the pants were a little more stiffer, but it is very soft and breathable. Again, for summers I would really recommend it. Just that if you go to sit for a long time, they will wrinkle a little bit. So those were the outfits that I got from Myntra. I did pick up a little bit of skincare and makeup also because Myntra has a sale, and also Nykaa had a sale. So this is Essence 16-hour cover and last powder foundation. So Essence has really good makeup. I have some products, face products, and even nail paints, and a lot of different products from Essence, and I really like their products. I'll just bring you in a little closer so that I can show you this powder. So the powder texture is like very smooth and nice. So this is the shade that I got. I think I should have gone like one shade darker. I feel like this one's a little bit light, but mostly I think I'll use it to set my under eyes, so I think it's okay. You'll see how matte it becomes. So it's quite mattifying and nice. Myntra had only a couple of shades, and I got the second shade I think, but I should have got like one shade darker maybe. So it's nice. It has like a nice mirror here. It is pretty close to what the MAC powder foundation looks like, or like feels like on the skin. It's only 550 rupees, and it is also much lesser when on sale. So this is the Essence False Lashes Mascara Extreme Volume and Curl. This one's really good. I'm wearing it right now because I'm wearing a liner. I'm not sure if it's like very visible, but it's a very good mascara. I usually use Essence Lash Princess, and it was out of stock on Myntra and Nykaa as well, so I got this, and it looks like a marker. And I really like the packaging of Essence Lash Princess and how it curls your lashes and gives like a natural but also like full volume and fluttery look. This one also is really good like with volume, and it is a very nice fluttery almost false lashes kind of a look, and it is waterproof. I wore this and I think it definitely was like a pretty hot day, and also I'm pretty sure I cried for some reason that day, and it is waterproof. So get your hands on this. I also got sunscreen. This is Aqualogica Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen, and it is a dewy sunscreen, so it's quite nice. I like the texture, but also it's not like oily or anything. It gives a dewy finish and it looks nice on your skin. Kind of adds a nice little glow, so it's nice. It's something that you can just throw in your bag even if you're heading out to work or anything. It has SPF 50 plus, and basically it has niacinamide as well, which is really good for your skin. So if you have like open pores, and if you have some marks, pigmentation and all that, then niacinamide is good. if you're already using something with niacinamide in your skincare routine, then maybe you can shift between that and this, because you don't want to like overdo the niacinamide as well. But yeah, it's very nice. I have been using this, and I've been shuffling between this and a couple of other sunscreens. I'll do a video on that, so that you know I can recommend a couple of sunscreens that I'm using, but this works well. Then I have this Masaba by Nykaa nail paint. This is actually a very nice color. It's 277 and nice for like summer or this transition season. I quite like it. It is kind of subtle but also looks nice. Got a bunch of them from Streetwear. So at Streetwear, this is Hot Brownie. There was also an offer. I got these offline. I got them from a store called Beauty&Beyond. So this store is, I think it's going to come up in Sharat City Mall right now. It's in Kondapur, opposite Kim's Hospital Lane. So inside that lane, I'll try and leave a Google Maps link, so if you're around you can check it out. It's similar to Health and Glow. They have a bunch of different brands. They have Nykaa, they have Faces, Revlon, Lakme, different skincare and beauty section. Had an offer running. They had like 1+1, so I got a bunch of colors. This is Mauve On, and this is Maroon Magic. So I really like streetwear nail paints. I like how they look. I like the colors, everything. So this is one of the shades that I'm wearing. This is Mauve On, and it looks really nice on my nails. I don't like mauve shades on my lip. I don't think mauve lip shades suit me, but on my nails I quite like it. I really like this color. And I also got Faces Canada lavender one. It's called Viola, and it's a nice lavender for summers. And I picked up a bunch of other nail paints for summer, all summer colors, so I'll show you guys those in like a reels or like shorts video. I think the video is getting too long. I also got this Blue Heaven Intense liner. This is a sketch liner, so the tip is not that soft and it was not easy to do it. Like today I'm wearing liner after a really long time, maybe after years. I'm usually doing mascara these days at the max, some eye makeup with eyeshadows, but I'm not doing wing liner at all. So I found that liquid liner is easier to draw on than this. I'm not that fond of it. I got it because it was on sale and it was pretty affordable, and since I'm not doing liner these days, I thought why waste money on buying something new. But I was using Fenty liner before this, like maybe a year before, and that dried up. I love that one. I'm looking to restock, but this I think you can skip. It was not that smooth and it was not that easy to draw, and also it was a little harsh, so skip this. Then I got Lakme Lumi cream, similar to the MAC Strobe cream. So I thought this was also nice. It was on sale. It's a moisturizer highlighter. So look at that, it adds a nice glow. So that was everything from Myntra. Now I'll quickly show you guys some other things which I picked up recently. I have some summer dresses that I want to show you from Shilaw by Sophie, and I have put up pictures wearing these on my Instagram. These are really good, absolutely amazing summer dresses. They have really beautiful block prints and really nice styles. So this is a very beautiful blue one. I really like the print and how it looks. It looks good on everyone. I've seen pictures of a lot of bloggers wear these and it looks great on everyone. So it has a nice v-neck and it has a flare, and at the bottom it has these cute ruffles. Very soft and comfortable. It has a lining, so you can just wear like shorts and a nude lingerie and you'll be good to go. The hands are also cute. And yeah, they are usually in local exhibitions, like some flea markets or some local exhibitions. So you can follow their page to get some updates, and you can also purchase through their Instagram page as well. And this one is so pretty, you guys, and the model actually is very different. So it has that cinching detailing in the front at the waist, so it sort of cinches your waist and, like, you know, pulls the dress together. Looks very cute, and it has the same print on the hands as well in Kota, which I thought was such a beautiful detail. So it looks really cute, and a very nice summer dress again, and looks so pretty. These are in double XL. I think I should go like one size up. They make custom orders as well if you want to order them in a different size if they have the fabric, or you can check whatever fabrics they have and make place a custom order. I thought both of these looked really cute. I got one more dress also in this that went for wash, but I'll show you guys that in a different video maybe. But very cute. I am really looking forward to purchase some nice summer dresses from them. And now some local purchases. So I went to the store in Amirpet. It's Bao Rayalaseema Ruchulu, next to, like, you know, close to Big Bazaar. There's two stores there. One is called Export House, I think, and the other one is called Pavolu Fashions. I think Pavolu Fashions, I think some of you have told me about this, and this is the first time that I went to that store. So I got these trousers. I thought they're really nice and comfy for summers. I can wear them underneath any white kurta or a grey kurta, of white, black, anything. You can wear it like Indo-Western style. You can wear it with a tunic or a kurta, or you can wear a shirt and tuck it in also. It's really nice. It's not too transparent, so you can totally do that. And it has like a stretchable waist and a very soft and comfortable fabric and really good quality. So these were all on sale. So this was for $3.99, and I think it was even lesser. I'm not able to recollect. So this is from a brand called Lotus. So both these stores have export rejects basically. So there was a lot of really nice nightwear and a lot of palazzos and all that. And this store called Pavolu Fashions actually had a lot of good outfits in Veramoda. I couldn't find my size. They were there up to XL or double XL, and some of the double XLs don't fit me that well, so I did not pick up much in outfits. I got one or two. I've already posted a reel on that, so do check it out. I'll do a different video you know, exploring these stores. One more pair of trousers, again very comfortable. I got this from the Export House one. So these are again trousers which you can wear for work. Stretchable and nice breathable fabric. Has stripes. The stripes are white, yellow and maroon. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. And wide, quite decently wide legged, but not super wide legged. And this was very affordable. I think this was also like 300 or something. So another one from an Instagram store. This store actually has really good plus size options even in like casual wear and Indian wear as well. So I picked up a bunch of nightwear from them. First I wanted to try one or two to see how the quality is. Just name is 9 plus size clothing, and they have like really nice pieces. So this is something like night dress or like casual wear or a tunic or like a t-shirt, long t-shirt dress that you can wear even casually. So I thought I'll wear it like loungewear or at home for nightwear. But I thought it's really cute. So I think they usually price from around 400 to 600. Most of their nightwear is priced in that price range, and even their Indian wear is priced around 1000. So they're like all very decently priced. I have picked up a bunch of things. I want to do a video on some of the Instagram stores that I've tried. Do let me know in the comments below if you would like to watch that. So this is a cute one which I got from this Instagram store. It has really cute pink flowers all over. Now the last thing for this haul. So there was a local exhibition sometime back, and I got these footwear, and I thought they're so beautiful and absolutely have to show you guys. This entire thing has like rhinestones and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Where I paired these with this dress for New Year's, and I thought they would look really nice for Indian or Indo-Western as well. And this brand is on Instagram, so that's why I wanted to show you guys. So this is from the brand called Flutter Footwear by Preeti Kapoor. I'll link their Instagram page. They're from Goa. They also have a flagship store in Manali and Goa. So that was the last thing for this haul. This was like a major big haul because I've been saving up these things. I thought I'll show you guys in some videos, and then I just couldn't get to film. So that was my Myntra recommendations and others kind of a haul. So I hope this video was fun, and I hope you guys found some useful recommendations. Do let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch, and also do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and do find me on Instagram. I post content there also on styling and fashion hauls and reviews and other things, and also you'll see a lot of updates on my stories, so do find me there. And I post Myntra Sale recommendations also on my stories and highlights, so do check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.